This is TWiT.
I just got an email from GE, and it made me laugh. But then I thought, you know what? The number of times that I've seen people goof about how they messed up on cooking a turkey, this is another smart idea. If you've got a GE smart oven and some other GE appliances, certain GE appliances, they are rolling out a software update that includes a button called Turkey Mode. And this can either be via the app or via the oven itself if you've got one that's got a screen on it. And what you do is these ovens and appliances have a built-in probe area. So you plug in the probe into the oven, and then you plug the other end into a cold turkey that's in a roaster pan. You close the oven, and you simply push the Turkey Mode button, and then it perfectly cooks your turkey.
Bada bing, bada boom.
That's it. It's a Turkey Mode.
Here's what I don't understand on this, though, because it says, what did it say? At least the article basically said, like, you don't need to do any basting, no stuffing, no brining, no fiddling with foil, blah, blah, blah. The bird cooks itself. But that sounds like a really bland bird. Like some of the stuff you want to do with it, that's what brings the flavor to it. So
yeah, I disagree so that was kind of in the article. I disagree with that part because even in its own photo, it shows a turkey that's got all the stuff in and around it. I would make the turkey how I want it. I would stuff it how I want it, put the stuff around it that I want. I'd stick that probe in there and then boom, Turkey Mode to cook it. Because all it's doing ultimately is cooking over a period of time and at the right temperatures to properly roast the turkey to get it to that internal temperature. I imagine it's not just blasting it with the highest amount of heat until it reaches the internal temperature it needs. It's doing it at a perfect time.
Yeah. Technically, it's cooked. But is it yummy? That's the other question.
It says the food scientist at GE that helped make this, their team cooked hundreds of turkeys to perfect the algorithm, and she's confident your turkey will turn out just as perfectly juicy and crispy as the one they showed the author of this article in the demo. So yeah, hundreds of turkeys were cooked to try to find the perfect cooking time and temperature, etc., for this recipe.